In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepSeek in Janitor AI. To get started, open Janitor AI and go into a chat that allows proxy use, because for this setup, a proxy is required. Once you're on that chat screen, look for the three-line menu icon, usually found in the interface as the More option, and click it. From there, open Settings. Inside the Settings area, find and click Proxy Configurations. This is where you'll create the connection Janitor AI will use for DeepSeek. Next, click the New button to add a fresh proxy configuration. Now you'll begin filling in the required details. First, type in a name for the proxy. This can be any label that helps you recognize it later. After that, enter the proxy URL in the correct field. Make sure this is entered carefully, since even a small mistake here can prevent the connection from working properly. If you have an API key, enter it in the API key field. If you don't already have one, you can create one through OpenRouter and use that here. Then, type in the exact model ID for the DeepSeek version you want to use. This is important because the model ID needs to match exactly. If needed, you can also find that model ID through OpenRouter. Once everything is filled in, click Test. This gives you a quick way to check whether the proxy is working correctly before saving it. If there's a problem, Janitor AI should show a pop-up right away, which makes it easier to catch errors before moving on. If the test goes through successfully, click Add. After that, click Save to apply the configuration. And that's it. At this point, your setup should be complete, and you should now be able to see that Janitor AI is using a proxy, which it wasn't using before this process. If something doesn't work, double-check the proxy URL, API key, and model ID for accuracy.